Let's build a simple rain sensor project using Arduino. It's beginner-friendly and very useful for weather monitoring systems or automatic window control. Here's what you need: an Arduino Uno board, Arduino USB cable, rain sensor module with the detection plate, some jumper wires for connections. Follow the circuit diagram for connections. Here's the Arduino code. Let's test it. As soon as water touches the sensor, the LED turns on and the serial monitor shows rain detected. A quick and easy rain detector using Arduino. Subscribe for more simple electronics projects.